Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon pound cake. If you're interested, please stick around and I'll show you how to make lemon pound cake from scratch, step by step. First thing that we are going to do for this, we are going to get our mixer. So it doesn't matter, I'm using my stand mixer today. You can use your hand mixer, and you can even do it with your hand, with a fork, if you don't have a hand mixer or a stand mixer. So I'll be using my stand mixer, and the first step that we are going to do is to put our butter inside the bowl, and make sure that the butter is room temperature because it will be easier to mix it in the mixer. So we're gonna turn this on. Beat your room temperature butter for about 1 to 3 minutes and scrape off the butter from the paddle a couple times. Next, add your room temperature cream cheese. Mix them together until they are smooth. So you want something like this, and then add your lemon yogurt and mix them well together. Next, add your sugar gradually. Next, add your eggs one at a time. I'm going to zest my lemon on my flour. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. And if you don't have lemon extract, you can always use vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix the flour, the baking powder, lemon zest, and salt. I'm going to add it to my bowl. You can do them in small batches, or you can do them all at once. Doesn't really matter. Mix well for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to spray your cake pan with baking spray. If you don't have baking spray, put butter all over your pan and then flour it, and then put your mixture in your cake pan and make sure to smooth out everything before you put it in the oven. Hi, welcome back, and here's our cake. I just took it out of the oven, and when you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, that means that your cake is done, and also it's golden brown. So I'm going to leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes to cool down, and then I'll come back and show you how to take it out of the cake pan and transfer it to the plate. I'm going to get a knife, or if you have a knife or a spatula or a butter knife, you can run it through the outer edges of the cake. Make sure nothing is sticking to the pan. before you take it out. If you have a pan like this, make sure to do the center part as well. So I'm gonna take my plate, place it on this, and then I'm gonna flip it over. It's very heavy. Wow, look at this. It looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. One last touch, and that is to sprinkle vanilla sugar on top of your cake. This is for decoration and also to give extra flavor to your cake. If you don't want this, you can skip this step. Hi, welcome back. The cake looks really good and I can't wait to have a piece of cake. So let's try a piece and see how it is. I am going to cut a piece and see how this is. Wow, still it's very hot. There you go. Wow. I'm gonna try this. Wow, very delicious. Very moist, very delicious. I taste the lemon zest.